What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. On this channel, I love to give you guys tons of cleaning hacks, tips, tricks, and just a lot of things to make your life easier cleaning your home. I know I don't normally start videos like this, but I wanted to start this video like this because I am going to be creating a new series on my channel called Is It a Hack or Is It Whack? I think, like most of you know, there are tons of cleaning hacks and tricks out there, and if you're like me, you watch them and you wonder, does that really work? And you kind of want to try it, but you don't know, you're afraid to try it. So then you won't even have to worry because I'm going to try them all for you, and you will know what really is a hack or what's a whack, and you definitely don't want to waste your time with it. So for my first video, the supposed hack I'm going to be trying is that apple cider vinegar can be a great de-icer if you don't have an ice scraper. Now, I personally do have an ice scraper. I live somewhere that it's cold and it snows a lot, so that's definitely vital where I'm at. But there have been times that I haven't had one, so maybe I could have done this trick if it actually works. So come along with me and we're gonna see if this really is a hack or not. Okay, so here we are at my icy car. It was cold and snow last night and the windows froze over. So what you need is some apple cider vinegar, and you just want to pour it in a spray bottle just straight up with nothing else. You will also need a microfiber cloth because that is how you're going to wipe the ice away. So basically all you do is you just spray it, and then you're supposed to just be able to kind of just pick it off and wipe it away. So I did that, and I must say that I'm actually pretty surprised. I'm shocked that it actually is just wiping off. I didn't think that that was going to work at all, but it actually is doing not that bad of a job. So if you were at home and you truthfully didn't have an ice scraper, this could work. If you didn't want to just leave your car running or whatever the case may be. So I would say this actually is a hack. It really does work. This would suck because it kind of would probably be a lot of work, and it doesn't smell the best, but it is working, and it's working pretty well. And my thought process is, imagine that you're in a hurry, you don't have time, and you spray this and then you use your ice scraper. That'll probably come off so quickly and save you a lot of time. So for this, I would say that apple cider vinegar does work as a de-icer, and I would say it is a real hack. All right, guys, that is all that I have for you in this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave me some comments below. And of course, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Join me on this journey of figuring out if these hacks truly are hacks or they're whack, and don't waste your time. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.